Welcome, in front of me is a Vivo Y21S, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like this. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles right over here. And obviously we're looking for the screen recording toggle, so if it's not visible on the first page, swipe to the left to go to the second page, which I can already see. That's where my toggle is, as you can see right over here, record screen. Now once you see this toggle, simply press on it. And if you're doing this the first time, it will give us this terms of use for screen recording, which is quite annoying. So we're just going to agree to it. And then it takes us to the settings where you can customize how the screen recording will actually record. So we have, for instance, display the touch trajectory, which, if I'm correct, this basically records a semi-transparent gray dot to kind of reproduce where your finger was pressing the display. Now, below that we have record sound. It's set to none. We can change that to either system, microphone, or both, and none is what is selected, and that's what I'm going to stick with. Then we have picture quality, and we have high, which is recommended, and low, which I would generally recommend to stick with the high. Low will be just pixelated and a little bit crappy, and the difference in size, I don't think it's that great in here, so it's not like it's going to matter that much. And then we have recording in progress, do not disturb. So when you start recording, it will automatically turn on do not disturb mode, which for some people might be an important thing to have enabled. From there, we can just simply select right here, start screen recording. And it's already recording, as you can see. It gives us two options, pause and stop. And whatever app you open right now, obviously will be recorded. So let's just open something like contacts. There we go. So once you're done, you can interact with this overlay, click on the red square, and this will automatically save it. And from here, we can find that screen recording in our Photos application right over here. And you can see it right at the front. It's already playing. Now, when I said you can record any application, there is some limitations to it. There are certain apps which will black screen recording. So as an example, Netflix is one of those very fun applications that apparently has a little bit too much control over your device and has the ability to block it. So if you ever encounter that your screen recording recorded a just blank void of nothingness, then just know that whatever application you are trying to record had a little bit too much control over your device and was just simply blocking the screen recorder. So anyway, that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.